Okay, please do not trade. The market dumped because of an FA, so it invalidated your breakout. So, magandang pinakikita, meron kang double bottom. Let's see. Let's see kung aalagwa yan, aantayin po natin. But even if it breaks out technically, but the market optics at 9:30 is negative, babagsak po yan. Please take note. Sa mga hindi marunong mag-trade ng volatility, please do not trade this volatility. Okay? Please do not trade the volatility. Okay? So maganda sana tong pinakita niyang bounce dito, no? You have bounce. Kaso nung aakyat na boom, sinopla nung market, mga kamiranda. Let me just also backtest this coin kung siya ay meron siyang inuntugang 0.5 resistance on the Fibonacci levels, no? So intraday natin, it can create a taboo trade abang dito sa resistance na to. Take note of that, pero it can get invalidated by our market.